crucial part of students' learning. In order to make it safe and conducive, rules and regulations are implemented as well as differentiated instruction is used. This encourages student-centeredness and hones them holistically to be globally competitive individuals. This activity portrayed how a learning environment helps in student interaction through participation and collaboration, which shows support for learner participation and provides a fair learning environment. Learning environment as a PPST domain recognizes the importance of a place that is safe, where students are guided on their behavior, activities, and interactions.
One of the most important things that I've learned from this activity is that as a teacher, we should always look for a way on how we can engage our students in everyday teaching and learning process. I noticed that Sir Kit Ramos is very sensitive when it comes to student and teacher relationship. He wants every single of his students to express themselves in whichever form or way they want. It is crucial to acknowledge and recognize all of your students' needs, capabilities, and differences, because in that way, you can build a classroom which is safe and conducive for learning. Overall, the teacher's management techniques, making lessons relevant, and maintaining positive relationship contribute to an effective and impactful classroom experience.
During our interview activity, I learned that the teacher uses several effective techniques to manage the class and create a conducive classroom environment. Firstly, the teacher employs clear and consistent rules to maintain discipline, which helps students understand expectations. Additionally, they actively engage students through interactive activities and discussions, making the lesson more interesting. One key insight was the importance of making lesson relevant to all students, and the teacher emphasizes the need to connect the curriculum to students' lives, interests, and real-world applications. This approach fosters greater student engagement and understanding.
Based on our observation of Teacher Kit, he highlights the importance of classroom management strategies that encourage student participation and voicing their thoughts. Connecting lessons to real-life applications is emphasized to enhance engagement and comprehension by bridging theory and practice. Additionally, the recognition of the need of differentiated instruction to cater to diverse learning capacities and preferences, especially during group activities, underlines the commitment to ensuring every student's unique needs are met for a more meaningful and effective learning experience.
Making a learning environment safe and conducive is one of the most important things that teachers do. From our observation in the class of Teacher Ras Gabriel at AP Guevara Integrated School, Manambong Norte, I have observed firstly the classroom itself. Their classroom have the opening and closing prayers, depth and vision and mission, national anthem, and core values that I believe are used in order for the students to always be reminded of these important things. Next is the class discussion. Classroom rules are first given every start of the class. It is used for the students to be reminded of the authority of the teacher. Another most important thing that I have observed throughout the class discussion is that the teacher used technology tools in making the class active because they caught the students' attention, knowing that students today are more knowledgeable about using different gadgets and apps. Lastly, I have learned from our observation and from Teacher Russ that a safe and conducive learning environment has positive impact on the students. When the teacher establishes this kind of environment, these students will feel safe, empowered, and supported.
Based on my observation, as a future educator, to create a safe and conducive learning environment, I would prioritize establishing clear expectations and rules, nurturing positive relationship with students, fostering inclusivity, maintaining an organized classroom, using positive reinforcement, promptly addressing conflicts and bullying, offering support and resources to all students, incorporating active learning, adapting to individual needs, and committing to continuous improvement through feedback and self-reflection. By implementing these strategies, I aim to create an environment where every student feels valued, respected and motivated to learn, thus maximizing their educational experience.
One thing I've learned from this activity is the importance of classroom management strategies. A safe and conducive learning environment is essential for student success. It is a place where students feel physically, emotionally, and academically safe, and where they are challenged to learn and grow. I believe that all students deserve to have a safe and conducive learning environment, and that the educators have a responsibility to create these environments in their classrooms.